Hey guys, Gretchen with Healer's Insight here with my giant vat of coffee and an add-on thing for Shamballa multidimensional healing. Reiki, we will be doing your Mahatma attunement in 2 more videos, so keep tuned for that. This one is about religion and Reiki, because Reiki is not religious, but we utilize a lot of religious figures. We utilize the Christ consciousness, we utilize Mahatma consciousness, we utilize Ganesha, we utilize Mother Mary, we utilize Buddha, we utilize Gaia, we utilize all types of things, your guides, your guardians, angels, archangels, I guess entities that could be considered demigods or gods from the past, but it's not religious. So how are we using all these things and it's not religious? So all of these ascended masters from these different religions have accomplished what we're trying to accomplish. They've filled their etheric bodies, their soul beings. They have perfect karma, perfect balance within their soul. Excuse me for that. They have perfect balance and perfect karma within their soul. They have love and light bursting from all of their cells. And we'll get to that with your Mahatma ascension or your Mahatma attunement. So they have this love and this light bursting from all of their cells. They do everything with this unconditional love. Yes, you were mean to them. Yes, you were mean to them. Yes, you were mean to them. They still love you with this unconditional love. They don't care that you were mean to them. I mean, they do care, but they still love you. They let go of that. They understand where you were coming from, that you were coming from a lower vibration, that you were coming from a place of hurt, confusion, something, but they still love you. So this unconditional love allowed them to ascend and allowed them to see a bigger perspective, allowed them to release that control, release that ego, release those fears, release those karmic patterns from the past. And maybe not even in this past, but the past life, because you do drag some of that karma up with you. Sometimes you can actually be further behind karmically than you were in previous lives. You don't always step up. Sometimes you step back. So that is what we're working on. Reiki is not religious. Feel free to use your religious sect, call upon those people when you're doing your healing, because they will give you more power in your body, in your healings. I call upon the archangels that I feel needed to call upon when I'm doing my healings. I also do call upon my own deities. I am a sect called Tuatha De Danann, Creator Goddess Danu. For me, I am an herbalist. So the ones that I usually call upon are Errrr, Miak, and Dion's sect with my healings. I feel like they give me more power. I call on my angels, my archangels, my guides, my guardians, my ancestors, and my own power. You have released so much of your energies unnecessarily into the world. Call back that power to you. Just simply state, I call back all my energy, my powerful energy, my loving energy back to me. I call back my ancestral line, my power, my love. I call that all back to me. And imagine that power just being infused into all of the cells of your body. And then I release all the energies that no longer serve me. I release control, I release ego, because those are usually what keeps us from being really great healers, is we think that we know what's best and we don't. We need to release that ego and release that control and just go with it. I don't know if any of you guys have seen this movie. There's a movie called Dances with Wolves. It came out like a million years ago. My son was, I think, a baby at this point, like 2. So it was in the 80s. Long movie. During part of it, Kevin Costner it's in the beginning. He's on this horse and he just like lets go and just like limply gallops with this horse across the battlefield, does not get shot because he had faith and he just let go. That is what I'm inviting you to do today. Let go of that ego, let go of control, let go of that doubt. Have faith in your powers as healer. Have faith in those entities watching you and those energies being infused into your body. Have faith that that love and that light are infusing into your soul. And have faith that you are a great healer. Release that ego and control and release that doubt. I hope this does answer some of those questions. The next video will be on 5 levels of consciousness. So if you like this video and would like to see more like this, herbalism videos, high vibe videos, and some yoga nidra, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And until next time, namaste.